Understanding relegation in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into the term relegation, a concept that often pops up in sports but also has broader applications. Stick with us to discover its meaning and use. Let's get started. Relegation refers to the act of moving a team down to a lower division within a league, based on their performance. It's a way leagues maintain competitive balance. In sports, if a team does poorly, they face relegation to a lower-tier league. Being relegated can have significant implications, including financial loss, decreased fan support, and a reduction in media exposure. It's a setback for any team, emphasizing the importance of consistent performance. Beyond sports, relegation can describe the demotion in any hierarchy or system. It might mean moving someone to a less important role or position within a company. It's about being sent down or put back in the pecking order. To use relegation in conversation, you might say, "The team faced relegation after finishing last this season," or "He felt a sense of relegation when he was moved to the branch office." We hope this exploration of relegation enriches your understanding of the term and its applications. Whether in sports or daily life, it's a word that captures the essence of a step back with the hope of bouncing back stronger. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.